How's it going, guys? So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete your ProtonMail account, and it's pretty simple, but you have to do it on your computer, so your Mac or PC, because it doesn't work on the mobile apps. So go ahead and go to protonmail.com and log into your ProtonMail account from there, and then just go to settings here on the upper right and click on go to settings. Now here in settings you want to go to account and password on the left. And then here where it says delete account, just click here on delete your account. Then select the reason and give them some feedback. And then just type in your email address and login password. And tick this thing here. Yes, I want to permanently delete this account and all its data. Then just click on delete. And there we go, my account is now deleted. So that's how you delete your ProtonMail account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I'll see you guys again in the next video.